What's going on? Crypto Doge back in their video. In this video, we're going to be talking about a new website that came out called Cryptera. I'm pretty excited for this because it is a new cloud mining website that recently came out and that is extremely profitable. And yes, I do have my webcam on in this video. Tell me if you guys enjoy that or not. I did get a new webcam. It's pretty good quality. So I'm going to be using that in most of my videos from now on. But yeah, let's talk about this website, Cryptera. First, before we talk about that, let's go on Genesis Mining and Hashflare and explain why I'm really excited for this new mining company. And then we'll look at the profitability of it and how profitable it is. And let me tell you guys, it is very profitable. So Genesis Mining, I am very happy with this contract. I've pretty much already made my money back and it's been around 2 or 3 months. I forget, something like that. And I'm making a shit ton of money from Genesis Mining pretty much. But as you guys probably already know, all the contracts are sold out except for Monero, which is not very profitable. Therefore, Genesis Mining is kind of sucks right now. And then Hashflare is really good too, except for the fact that they did increase their prices for the Bitcoin mining, which is the most profitable. So people are looking for a new website, a new way of cloud mining that's a little bit more profitable, because now they increased their price from 150 per terahash to 220 per terahash. So I just found this recent mining company that has around 100,000 members already, which is crazy. They've mined around $2 million worth of cryptocurrency, which is pretty cool. I'm just going to show you guys, I'm going to show you guys here. They have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Monero, and Zcash. They're actually sold out of Monero, but all the other ones, these four, they have mining contracts for. The reason why I don't have the page full is because you guys will see my information at the bottom if I pull it up. So let's get into the profitability of these contracts though. Okay, so the website is cryptera.net. Link in the description below if you guys think it is a good website after I finish explaining it. But if you go here, create an account like I've already done, you can go here to this mining tab here, and you can see they have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Zcash, like I said before. Definitely the most profitable ones is Bitcoin and Ethereum. So those are the two ones that I'm going to be talking about the most in this video. And these are all 2-year contracts, which is pretty good since Hashflare contracts are only 1 year. So that's actually a lot better than Hashflare. So we're going to talk about the profitability. It kind of already shows the profitability here, which is kind of cool because other websites do not show how much money you're going to make approximately, because it says the approximate amount you're going to be making. But we're still going to check it up on the mining calculators just to be sure. So if you go here, Bitcoin mining, let's say you want to buy around, as you guys see here, I have 6 terahashes on Genesis Mining. So let's do the same on here just to see a little bit of a comparison. So 6,000 gigahash is 6 terahash. You see the price here is $768. Not too bad, guys, not too bad. And it says you're gonna earn around 8,640. Let's go see that right now. So if you go here, and what I didn't tell you guys yet is that Cryptera has no mining fee at the moment. They said that since they're just coming out, since they want to get new members on their platform, they're not going to have a mining fee for a while, and then eventually they will implement a mining fee. But at the moment, there is no mining fee, which is really, really cool. So this is going to be extremely profitable. So if you go here, 6,000 gigahash, where was the page? Oops. Okay, 6,000 gigahash, price is $768. Pop that in. Pool fee 0, all this stuff 0, which is really amazing. Days to break even, 60 days, guys. That's just amazing. That's 2 months, guys, to break even when this is a 2-year contract, which is just insane. So if you go here to the annually, it says you're going to be making around $4,670 annually from just a $768 investment. This is just insanely profitable, and this is a 2-year contract. So if we do this times 2, this is pretty much where they get this price, this estimate of $8,640, right? So that actually does add up. The thing is, obviously, Bitcoin price might decrease or increase, and then the mining difficulty might increase or decrease. So you gotta put that in account. But I think this is definitely very, very profitable. So We'll talk about the Bitcoin mining contract later, but let's go on to doing some Ethereum. I actually haven't done any tests on Ethereum, so let's do something like 100 mega hash just to see something like that. $750. So let's do that. 100 mega hash and $750, right? No power cost, no power watts, no power pool fees. Let's go see. Wow, break even a little bit better than the Bitcoin mining contract. Wow, that's actually insane. Let me just double check that because that's crazy. Wow, 100 mega hash for $750. The break even is even better than Bitcoin. Wow, that's crazy. That is really cool, and it is the same amount of time. So pretty much whichever cryptocurrency you feel will be going up more in 2018, either Bitcoin or Ethereum, whichever one you believe in more, you should pretty much buy the contract for, because the profitability is around the same. So, but it still depends on the difficulty and the price, of course. So also, the coolest thing about this website is they also have a holiday sale, so an Xmas sale as they call it here. This is pretty much for people who are buying big amounts though. Well, it's not that big, like around $1,000 to $2,000 investments. You get a 30% off, which is just insane. That is just crazy. If we see here, 1792 for 20 terahashes. Let's go put this in the calculator and see how much was it? 1792 for 20. So 1790. I thought I copied that. 1792 and 20 terahash, which is 20,000 gigahash, and no costs or anything. 42 days to break even, guys, with that 30% off. That is just insane. From a less than $2,000 investment, you're going to be getting around 15K a year for 2 years. That is just crazy. Yeah, that's just insane. Honestly, if you guys do have the money to put in this, I would say this is extremely profitable. $1,792. And then you're going to be getting shit tons of money per year. You're going to break even in about a month and a half, which is just crazy, unheard of in cloud mining. So definitely this website, very, very profitable. It is obviously a little bit more risky than Hashflare or Genesis mining, just because they have been up for a lot longer. But I think they are pretty. This is pretty legitimate. They did say they're going to be putting pictures of their mining rigs and etc. later on. They're going to be posting some of their rigs and setups and etc. So we're going to see about that. But same thing for Ethereum. I think it's going to be also very profitable. And Litecoin's not very profitable. Definitely Bitcoin. This 30% off, very profitable. So if you do have $1,700 right now in Bitcoin or Ethereum, in Bitcoin or Litecoin, because also if to buy these contracts, let's just do a checkout. I just want to show you guys. I will be definitely buying a contract very soon. I was just testing out the prices before, but what did I want to show you guys? Oh god, wait, don't look at my billing information. Look, so you can pay with Bitcoin or Litecoin, which is really cool about this. Since Litecoin does have really low transaction fees, I think it's really good idea that you can pay with Litecoin or Bitcoin. I would probably pay with Bitcoin still because I have a lot of Bitcoin, but you can pay with Bitcoin or Litecoin. So link will be in the description below if you guys do want to sign up. Also, there is affiliate program, pretty much like Genesis mining. You got like an affiliate rank and all of that. So, but definitely this website is very profitable. A little bit risky, guys, but still very profitable. So we went over the Bitcoin mining and the Ethereum mining. That's pretty much going to be it for this video. I just want to show you guys that. You guys definitely do your own research for this, but that's just what I think. I think it is a very good investment, and then you can withdraw, etc., etc., etc. So that's going to be it for this video. Sign up in the description below if you want to. So see you guys in the next one. Peace.